couldn't help myself. I tried to, but obviously it didn't work out. I got another pair of cowboy boots. The last video, I know. Last video, I didn't think I would be getting another pair because before that video, I never was into cowboy boots. So I picked these up. But you guys can't tell me these aren't cute though. Like, come on. Maybe New York is just unleashing my love for cowboy boots. In Florida, I wouldn't have been able to wear the humidity state now being walkable. If I were to have worn these in Florida, I was going to be in the car majority of the time. I just feel like that would be a waste of outfit. Like, and then when I get out to go to like Walmart or something. Also, I wouldn't have picked these up to wear if I was going to go to Walmart. I would have most likely put on Crocs. You know, like the not so good fit. Something about New York makes me want to get dressed up even if I'm just going to Target. I'm going to go put on some cowboy boots to go to Target. In Florida, I would have never considered picking up cowboy boots. Today I'm going to be customizing them or painting them again. I have the sketch right here. So this is inspired by New York City nightlife. I went out the other night and it was a lot of fun. So I did that inspired by, I drew this inspired by that. So here we have this lovely, gorgeous, stunning, amazing, poker-tudinous cityscape of New York. You guys see it. So let's get started, shall we? The paint I'm going to be using is Angelus leather paint. Come now. Okay, I'm going to start working on the blue. I swatched a little, it's too light, so I'm going to have to mix it. We are done. I love how these turned out. Ooh, almost, wait, see, there I go, messing things up already. I gotta wait for this to dry, but I love how these turned out. Let's get into the details. So, I have the Statue of Liberty right here, a few stars, cityscape, my visual signature. I got a few comments of you guys asking me, what does the lightning bolt in my artwork mean? And it isn't a lightning bolt, it's more like a scribble. And I'll tell you a little bit more about that. It derived from, or it stemmed from, when I used to do digital art. That's how I would go about shading highlighted areas. For example, if an area was brighter, well, it's highlighted, so that's what highlight means. Yeah, that's how I would go about shading highlighted areas in digital art. And when I transferred to doing more physical art with watercolor and crayon, I wanted a way for people who come across my work on the internet to be able to identify it and know that's my work. So I needed a visual motif or a visual symbol. Like how Basquiat has the crown and everyone knows his work by the crown. That's what I want this scribble to be. My motif for my art. Yeah, that's all it really means. It doesn't have any deeper significant meaning. Another gorgeous pair of boots. Done by me. Wait, am I even in the frame? Let me see something. As always, thank you guys for coming along with me. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me paint these boots. I enjoyed painting them. I don't know how long it took me. That's something I need to get better at. Timing myself on how long projects take me. If I keep this in the video, these will be available on my website, and I will leave the link to my website in the description box below. They are a woman's size 11, equivalent to a men's 9.5. That's going to be it for today's video. Okay, bye.